Hi, my name is Thomas with Hoffmann, and this is our Hoffmann MU3 dovetail routing machine.
It is equipped with a carbide dovetail bit installed in a router motor. When I pull this lever down, my material is being pressed onto the table and the router bit moves up and cuts the dovetail keyway into the end of my molding. Let me show you how to join some corners. Depending on the workpiece dimensions and application, the appropriate Hoffmann key is chosen. W0 for very narrow moldings, W1 for small profiles, W2 as the cabinet maker's key, W3 for higher strength applications, and W4 is used in the post and beam industry. Hoffmann offers the right key for any situation. We always recommend good quality wood glue. For time-saving purposes, in this video we do it without glue. The angle fence is adjusted for the keyway position. The routing height adjustment is determined by the thickness of the profile and the length of the Hoffmann key. Both keyway positions are set by moving the 45 standard angle fence. The keyway position is adjusted with a standard butt stop. Both the scale in the table or the scale integrated into the rear fence can be used for positioning. Vertical profiles can be processed up to a workpiece height of 125 mm. The Hoffmann dovetail joining system can handle all common materials: solid, hard and softwoods, particle board, wood, plastic, composite, OSB material, as well as MDF and most plastic species. Hoffmann offers a wide range of accessories for almost any application in the woodworking industry. The table extensions ensure a perfect support of even longer profiles. The two digital displays show the position of the keyway in reference to the corner and the routing height with an accuracy of 1/10 of a millimeter. The centerline locator shows exactly the center of the keyway, and it can be used to match a marked profile. Angles from 0 to 90 degrees are infinitely adjustable. The angles are set by using the workpiece lined up with a wing of the synchro fence. By moving the fence, you reach a perfect alignment with the rear fence line of the machine. For the perfect positioning of narrow and high profiles, you can purchase these height extensions, or you can purchase already assembled fences with extensions installed. For the perfect positioning of narrow and high profiles, internal fences are needed if the inside edge of the profile represents the reference edge. Any width variations will be visible as offset on the outside corner and can be sanded flush. The perfect solution for narrow and high profiles. Adjustable internal fences for other angles than 45 degrees. This fixture ensures a perfect seat of compound miter profiles, for example an architrave profile. It is adjustable from 30 to 70 millimeters in supporting height. The Flipstop Mini disappears in the rail when not needed. Nice and easy and still accurate. For left or right side within the machine table. Perfect for repeated accuracy.
For the extension rail assembly, simply slide in the extension rail with its bolt and tongue and make sure to tighten the set screw underneath.
Very useful when processing longer material with multiple flipstops for repeated accuracy. These digital flipstops can be installed on either side of the machine. The best you can get when it comes to efficient production. When working with marked moldings, the laser line represents exactly the center of the Hoffmann keyway.
Thank you for choosing Hoffmann. For further information, please visit our website or call us at any time.